You're watching two coins spin, a 10-pence piece and a £1 coin. At first, they look like they're doing the same thing. Both are spinning, both are wobbling, both are losing energy. But they don't behave the same way, and the reason comes down to physics you can't see. The 10-pence coin is thinner and lighter. Most of its mass is close to the center. So as friction steals energy from it, the spin collapses quickly. It wobbles and drops. Now look at the £1 coin. It's thicker, heavier, and most importantly, more of its mass is spread outwards. That changes everything. Spinning objects resist changes to their motion. The further the mass is from the center, the harder it is to slow down. So the £1 coin holds its spin longer. It stays upright, it precesses more slowly, and it takes more time for friction to win. Nothing magical is happening here. No extra force, no trick. Just inertia, angular momentum, and energy being drained away, one scrape at a time. This is the same physics that keeps a bicycle upright, that stabilizes spinning satellites, that makes flywheels useful in engines. Small differences in shape create big differences in behavior. Two coins, same table, same push, completely different outcomes.